Actually yung concern dito is mga kalalakihan eh. Yung mga kalalakihan, yung concern dito. We as men, we supposed to, as a nation, we supposed to be married to the Most High, di ba?
Mhm.
Then what happened in the context? They go and serve other gods and commit adultery or fornication. So, sa parang ano dito, when your physical daughters, di ba, yung physical daughters, the daughters-in-law, and
Mhm.
your wife, they commit the same thing, di ba? Ang sabi ng Most High, parang, why do you expect me to punish them? Di ba?
Mhm.
I will
Agree.
not punish them so that you can experience what it feels like how I feel. Di ba? Sabi, parang ganun eh.
Mhm.
Parang, I will not punish them so at least gusto mo sila maparusahan din. What you yourselves are doing the same thing to me. So parang
Agree.
ganun yung sinasabi dito. Di ba?
Agree.
So, parang ano rin eh, the men supposed to be the leaders, they're setting rules in the family or in the house, di ba?
Mhm.
Yet the men are guilty of the same thing, then why are we expecting the punishment to this, di ba? They are only following, we are the leaders. Di ba? Tayo yung mga lalaki, we supposed to lead the family. Di ba?
Exactly.
We're supposed to lead the family.
Mhm.
So parang yun lang, Ate Janet. What about you? You have any
Like,
any takes nito?
same lang din ako. Like, agree ako sa sinabi mo eh. It fit talaga siya sa sinabi rito. Right? Kasi, yung ginagawa kasi ng mga kalalakihan dito is spiritual fornication eh. Right? Spiritual adultery.
The
Right?
concept. Mhm.
Like, ang Israel kasi is what? As, dinescribe siya as a woman. Right?
Kan.
Now, ang the Most High ang nagpo-provide sa atin our daily needs. The same thing na yung lalaki nagpo-provide ng daily needs ng babae, right?
Mhm.
Now, if we worship to other gods, that's the same thing as yung babae na pumupunta sa ibang lalaki. Right?
Mhm.
So what's happening is,
Yeah.
it was through their spiritual fornication act, okay, Sister Janet, na nag-lead ng kanilang mga anak na maging whoredom at yung kanilang asawa na mag-commit adultery. It was the spirit. Right? So, doon sa sinabi ni Michael na, I will not punish your daughters or yung asawa niyo when they commit adultery so that you will feel the betrayal. Right? The same thing na naramdaman din ng Damosay with us. Right? So,
Kan.
if we feel the betrayal, yung sakit, kung gaano yun siya kasakit, right? Binigay mo lahat sa babae mo, sa asawa mo, and then ito yung nangyari, pumunta siya sa ibang lalaki, di ba gaano yun siya kasakit? Right? So, through that is, alam na natin ngayon ano mararamdaman ng the Most High. Ano yung mararamdaman ng the Most High kapag sumamba tayo sa ibang Diyos-Diyosan.